Today we're showing you a 2023 John Deere 4052R tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with just under 100 hours. Tractor is practically new. Does still come with the balance of the John Deere warranty. Comes with a 440R quick attach front loader. Tractor has 51 horsepower and obviously the cab with the heat and the air conditioning. John Deere stock quick attach here for your bucket quick attach. As you can see, the tractor looks practically new. Does have an access door here on the right side of the cab. R4 tires are excellent. Complete 3-point hitch with drawbar and top link. Also has the Hitch Assist back here with the knob here to raise and lower your 3-point arms. Also has the buttons here on the fender, which allows you to physically move the tractor forward and reverse, all while standing beside the tractor. So if you get your implement close that you're hooking with these buttons and with this knob right here, you certainly can finish the job there very easily. Super nice tractor here, just about as close to new as we can find for you. Inside of the cab looks new. Still smells new in here. It does have the climate controls up top. Also has a radio here in the cab. Looks like that John Deere warranty runs into May of 2029. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.